In the quiet, hidden corners of our world, a remarkable creature thrives. It moves with an ancient, rhythmic grace. This is the centipede. Often misunderstood and sometimes feared, it is a masterpiece of evolution. You can find them almost everywhere on Earth. They live in damp forest leaf litter. They live within the cracks of desert rocks. They live in the forgotten spaces of our own homes. Their presence is a quiet constant, a reminder of a world that operates just beneath our notice. These animals carry stories that are millions of years old, written into their very bodies and behaviors, waiting for us to read them. This journey is about understanding these fascinating creatures. We will not look at them with fear, but with curiosity and respect. We will explore their world through a calm and careful lens. Our exploration will be divided into three main parts. First, incredible adaptability. How do they survive in the wettest jungles? How do they survive in the driest plains? We will uncover the secrets that allow them to call nearly the entire planet their home. Next, unique physical characteristics. Centipede means 100 feet, but that's just the beginning. We will examine segmented bodies. We will examine many legs. We will examine the intricate exoskeleton. What makes their anatomy so efficient for hunting and survival in the undergrowth? We will use clear illustrations and simple comparisons to show how each part matters, from sensitive antennae to the final pair of legs. Finally, specialized equipment, venomous claws, forcipules, powerful legs, clever strategies. We will see how they hunt. We will see how they defend themselves. We will see how they navigate dark, complex environments. Using scientific studies and high-speed footage, we'll witness these tools in action. We will see the physics of movement and the chemistry of their venom, breaking down complex ideas into simple, understandable concepts that reveal the genius of their design. To truly appreciate the centipede, we must look beyond what we can see with our own eyes. We must become detectives, piecing together clues from different fields of knowledge. Our approach will be to blend the old with the new. We will draw upon a rich archive of scientific records, some stretching back over a century. These historical documents, filled with careful observations and hand-drawn illustrations, give us a window into how our understanding has evolved. They show us the first steps taken by naturalists to classify and comprehend these creatures, laying the groundwork for all we know today. These old archives provide a foundation, but modern science gives us the tools to build upon it. We will use data from recent scientific studies to add depth and detail to our story. We will look at research that uses advanced imaging to see inside the centipede's body. We will explore genetic analysis that reveals its ancient family tree. By combining historical archives with contemporary research, we can create a much fuller, more insightful picture of the centipede's world. Throughout our documentary, numbers and simple principles of physics will be our guides. When we discuss the incredible diversity of centipedes, we will use basic mathematics to compare their sizes. How does a tiny garden centipede, just a few millimeters long, compare to a giant Amazonian species that can exceed 30 centimeters? We will also use physics to explain their movement. How do they coordinate so many legs to move with such speed and agility? We will explore concepts like balance and friction in a way that is easy to grasp, revealing the elegant mechanics behind their rippling locomotion. Our goal is to create a calm, informative, and visually rich experience. We want you to feel as if you are exploring alongside us, peering into the hidden lives of these creatures. We will use a wealth of visuals, from stunning macro photography to clear animations and archival footage. By the end of our journey, you will see the centipede not as a simple bug, but as a complex and successful animal, a testament to the power of adaptation and the intricate beauty of the natural world. The story of the centipede's adaptability begins with its remarkable global presence. These creatures are true cosmopolitans of the invertebrate world. You can find them on every continent except for the frozen plains of Antarctica. Amazon, humid, steaming jungles. Europe, temperate woodlands. Australia, arid scrublands. This distribution is not recent. It's the result of a long, successful evolutionary history. A testament to a flexible, robust body plan and behaviors allowing them to conquer new territories over millions of years. Their success lies in exploiting a niche found almost everywhere: hidden spaces near the ground, damp spaces near the ground, dark spaces near the ground. They are creatures of the substrate, within the soil, under rocks, inside decaying logs, amongst the leaf litter. This subterranean lifestyle gives a stable microclimate. It shields them from harsh temperature swings, protects from drying by sun and wind, offers refuge from larger predators. By living beneath our feet, they colonize seemingly inhospitable habitats. Around 3,000 described species, with likely thousands more awaiting discovery. That number speaks to adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation, one ancestral group diversifies into many ecological roles. For centipedes, that means changes in size, diet, behavior. Some species became giants, apex invertebrate predators. Others stayed small, feeding on tiny soil organisms. This diversification is a living library of evolutionary solutions. Few terrestrial arthropod groups match this widespread colonization. Insects are more numerous, but many insect orders are climate or continent limited. Centipedes have pushed into nearly every terrestrial ecosystem. Their fundamental design is a winning formula. Core principle, segmentation. Core principle, speed. Core principle, predatory efficiency. They've become a quiet, persistent presence from the equator to the Arctic Circle. To understand how centipedes adapt, we must first look back in time. The fossil record tells us that these creatures are ancient survivors. The earliest known centipede fossils date back more than 430 million years, to the Silurian period. This means that centipedes were among the very first animals to make the monumental leap from water to land. They walked the Earth long before the dinosaurs, and they have persisted through multiple mass extinction events that wiped out countless other species. Their very existence today is proof of a design that is profoundly resilient, a blueprint for survival that has been tested and proven over vast stretches of geological time. This ancient blueprint is centered on a few key features. The most obvious is their segmented body, a design known as metamerism. Each segment, for the most part, comes with its own pair of legs. This modular construction has proven to be incredibly versatile. Evolution can add segments, subtract segments, or modify the legs on different segments for different purposes, without needing to overhaul the entire body plan. This is like having a set of building blocks that can be rearranged to suit new needs. Another critical part of their ancient heritage is their cuticle, or exoskeleton. This tough outer layer provides physical protection from predators and minor injuries. More importantly, for a terrestrial animal, it provides a barrier against water loss. However, the centipede cuticle is not as waxy or waterproof as that of many insects. This is a crucial detail. It means that most centipedes are still tied to humid environments to avoid dehydration. This seeming limitation has actually driven their adaptation, forcing them to become masters of finding and inhabiting damp microclimates, a strategy that has paradoxically enabled their global spread into even the driest of regions. Their predatory nature, established early in their evolution, is the final piece of this foundational puzzle. From the very beginning, centipedes were hunters. Their first pair of legs evolved into the venomous forcipules we see today, a formidable weapon for subduing prey. Being a predator is a reliable way to make a living, as prey is available in almost every ecosystem. This carnivorous lifestyle has provided a consistent source of energy and nutrients, fueling their expansion across the planet. Their ancient roles as some of the first land-based carnivores set them on a path of adaptive success that continues to this day, a truly remarkable story of evolutionary endurance. Forests are the quintessential centipede habitat, a world of shadow, moisture, and endless hiding places. Here, in the rich layer of decaying leaves and rotting wood on the forest floor, centipedes find everything they need to flourish. The leaf litter is like a multi-story apartment building, with different levels offering varying degrees of temperature and humidity. Centipedes can move up or down through these layers to find their ideal conditions, a place where their flattened bodies and numerous legs are perfectly suited for navigating the intricate network of tunnels and crevices. A 1972 study published in the journal Ecology by Albert and his colleagues meticulously documented the role of the centipede Lithobius forficatus in a woodland ecosystem. They found that these centipedes consumed a wide variety of other invertebrates, including spiders, insect larvae, worms, and slugs. They are not picky eaters. Their long, sensitive antennae are constantly tapping and exploring the ground ahead of them, detecting the chemical trails of prey or the vibrations of a potential threat. A typical forest centipede might weigh around 1 gram. To sustain itself, it needs to consume a fraction of its body weight each day. Compare this to a much larger forest predator, like a shrew. The centipede's cold-blooded, efficient metabolism allows it to survive on far less food. A silent and patient hunter saving its energy for the perfect moment to strike. Deserts present a formidable challenge for an animal that is susceptible to drying out. Yet, they are here. Species like the giant desert centipede, Scolopendra heros, have evolved a remarkable suite of adaptations to conquer these sun-scorched environments. They are masters of avoidance, spending the blistering daylight hours deep underground, emerging from their daytime retreats only after the sun has set and the sand has cooled. During the night, they hunt for other nocturnal animals like insects, scorpions, lizards. Their spiracles can be closed to reduce moisture loss. Their waste products are excreted as a semi-solid paste of uric acid, a vital adaptation when every drop of water counts. This single meal provides not only a huge influx of energy, but also a significant amount of water. This approach allows the centipede to drink from its prey, a crucial survival tactic. Caves are environments of absolute stability and profound darkness. Constant temperature, near 100% humidity, complete absence of light. Over time, some species have moved from the forest floor into these subterranean realms and have become troglobites, or true cave dwellers. The most striking adaptations are the loss of features that are useless in the dark. They often have reduced or completely absent eyes. Similarly, their body pigmentation is often lost, leaving them a pale, almost translucent white or yellow. To compensate for their loss of sight, other senses become extraordinarily heightened. The antennae of cave centipedes are often dramatically elongated. They constantly sweep the air and ground, building a detailed, picture of the world through scent and touch. In response, cave centipedes have evolved a much slower metabolism. This slow pace of life allows them to survive for long periods, sometimes months, between meals. They are the ultimate energy conservationists. Our own homes, cities, and suburbs represent a relatively new and rapidly expanding habitat. For some adaptable species, it is an opportunity. The house centipede, Scutigera coleoptrata, is a prime example of a centipede that has successfully colonized this human-made environment. It thrives in our basements, bathrooms, and wall cavities, finding the dampness and darkness it needs in the hidden corners of our architecture. Our homes are full of other small arthropods that the house centipede preys upon. In this way, they act as a natural and unseen pest control service. It possesses shockingly long legs and a stiffer, shorter body, allowing it to run at incredible speeds across open surfaces like walls and ceilings. Its speed is a crucial adaptation for hunting fast-moving prey and escaping threats. A simple calculation shows the potential impact of one centipede. If a single house centipede eats just 2 or 3 pest insects per day, it can remove over 1,000 in a year. They are a small but significant part of the hidden biome that exists right alongside us, a wild creature that has adapted to our world. Our journey through the world of the centipede revealed an animal of remarkable complexity and resilience. We began by exploring their profound adaptability. We then examined their physical characteristics. Finally, their formidable equipment. These 3 pillars, adaptability, anatomy, and equipment, are interconnected. Adaptable behaviors stem from form and physiology. Anatomy powers movement and survival. Equipment makes the centipede an enduring blueprint for survival. A beautiful, intimate look at the centipede's head and antennae. Reflecting on the centipede, we are reminded of the extraordinary power of evolution. Here is a creature whose ancestors were among the very first to walk on land. They have persisted through ages and extinction events. Ultimately, the centipede invites us to look more closely at the world beneath our feet. It is a world teeming with life, complexity, and drama. These creatures, so often misunderstood, are not monsters to be feared, but are integral and beneficial parts of their ecosystems. They are vital predators that help to maintain the balance. They remind us that every creature, no matter how small or strange, has a role to play in the intricate web of life. Our journey ends here, but the story of the centipede continues, written every day in the soil, the leaf litter, and the hidden corners of our world. Hopefully, this exploration has replaced any apprehension with a sense of curiosity and respect for these ancient and fascinating survivors. There is always more to discover, more to understand. We encourage you to keep exploring, to keep asking questions, and to appreciate the wonder that can be found in the most unexpected of places. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.